This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download the Canva desktop app. So I'm right here on the main Canva downloads section. You can find the URL here. I've highlighted it right here, but I will of course put this in the video description so you can just click that URL and you will wind up here. Now, I have a Mac, you might have Windows. There are two different options here for download, depending on whether you're Mac or Windows based. You will click the one that applies to you. So I will click this one right here. It will now say Canva for Mac, and I will click this purple button, download Canva for Mac. And that will automatically download the installer. So Canva desktop is now downloaded. It will go to the downloads folder indicated by your browser. I have Google Chrome on a Mac, so it goes to my downloads folder. So hopefully you found this video on how to download the Canva desktop app good. If it's been helpful for you, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.